May 31st, 2013. A massive tornado touches down in El Reno, Oklahoma.
I'm looking to the west, and I see what looks like almost a spaceship. It's got this beautiful formation to it, and I'm just thinking it's rain.
Suddenly, Jaclyn draws a chilling conclusion.
Oh my God, that's not rain. That is the tornado.
They expect the storm to move northeast, the typical direction for tornadoes. But the massive wedge plunges south, catching the chasers off guard.
We hit the gas pedal.
Come on, go, 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 go!
And I can see this dark cloud getting closer and closer. I'm thinking at this point, we're going to die.
They come to a crossroads, left or right. They have seconds to decide.
Left, go left!
It's the right decision.
This day will be one that I will never forget.